who is Energy IoT target? Like, what is the purpose or the value proposition for creating this right now?
So that's a great question for Rila, but I'll take my best shot at answering that. So I think for her, coming from an open source background, working on projects with Linux Foundation, working on projects with other energy-based sort of IoT startups and companies, the biggest takeaway is that as an industry, it's still relatively in early days. And as a result of that, there's a lot of sort of proprietary lock-in between companies where people are sort of trying to guard their quote unquote IP, when in reality, they're sort of guarding the 80 to 90% table stakes that any company is going to have to do. It's just like if you make a car, got to have a body, got to have four wheels, got to have an engine. There's nothing proprietary about that. What she saw is that a lot of companies are sort of reinventing the wheel, building the same thing over and over and over and over again. And also Vish from Sunspec talks about this a lot, where when it comes to software and interfacing with these systems, it's again the same story where you're rebuilding the same wheel over and over to talk to everybody's different little proprietary thing. They all do the same thing. They all need to communicate the same data. There's really a limited subset of information that you need to get out of it. If you take something like an energy meter, there's like really only maybe 6 variables that you'd get out of that. They're going to be consistent across all devices. So rather than having each device speak its own language, wouldn't it be great if it spoke a single language?